Hi guys, today I discuss recurrence relation using the recursion tree method. In the previous lecture, we solved recurrence equation using the iteration method and substitution method. Today, solve equation using the recursion tree method. Now first, know about the recurrence tree method. Making a good guesses is sometimes difficult with the substitution method. Therefore, recursion tree is better than substitution method. Use recursion tree to devise good guesses. Convert the recurrence into a tree. Each node represents the cost incurred at the level of recursion, so sum up the cost of all levels. Recursion trees shows the successive expansion of recurrences using the trees. Keep track of the time spent on the subproblems of divide and conquer algorithm. Help organize the algebraic bookkeeping necessary to solve a recurrences. Example, the running type of merge sort if Tn equal to theta of 1 if n equal to 1, and we can write the recurrence equation of merge sort Tn equal to 2Tn by 2 plus theta n if n greater than 1. Same recurrence equation we can write and describe in this way. If Tn equal to c if n equal to 1, and Tn equal to 2Tn by 2 plus Cn if n greater than 1, where c greater than 0, running time for the base case and time per array element for the divide and combine steps. Recursion tree for merge sort. For the original problem, we have a cost of Cn and plus two subproblems, each of size n by 2, and running time Tn by 2. So we can write the actual cost Cn divided into two part Tn by 2, Tn by 2. Each of the size n by 2 problem has a cost Cn by 2 plus two subproblem, each costing Tn by 4, and further divided expand this recursion tree from this Cn equal to Cn by 2, Cn by 2 divided by Tn by 4, Tn by 4, Tn by 4. Now, cost divided and merge in the leaf. Cost of sorting subproblem. After after expand the merge sort and continue expanding until the problem size reduces to 1. Then find the merge sort tree like this, and each level contain the number of node Cn. The number of node in the root level equal to Cn, and the first level, second level Cn, Cn dash 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 dash. Now, first we find the height of this recursion tree. Now, value of n by 2 iterate in ith time until the problem size reduces to 1, then we can write n upon 2I equal to 1. N upon 2I equal to 1, then we can write I equal to log n. Now, after expanding the recursion tree until the problem size reduces to 1, each level has total cost Cn. Each time we go down one level, the number of subproblem doubles, but the cost per subproblem, half, cost per level remains the same. So there are log n plus 1 level height in the log n assuming n is the power of 2. Can be proved by induction the total cost equal to sum of cost of each level. So Cn is height of the tree is the total cost value of Cn into multiply by height of tree. So we can write total cost Tn equal to theta and log. Now similarly we solve recursion tree Tn equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n square. Here in this recurrence equation the function of fn equal to n square. Function of fn n square divided to equal halves n by 2 n by 2. Now we describe this recursion tree using this graph. N square is divided into 2 half Tn by 2 and Tn by 2. Then we can write n square n by 2 ka whole square and n by 2 ka whole square. With the next level n by 2 cost divided into 2 half Tn by 4 Tn by 4. Then we can write n by 4 ka whole square n by 4 ka whole square. Now we calculate number of nodes in each level. N square in the root level, n by 2 plus n by 2 half n square in the first level, n by 4 ka whole square n by 4 ka whole square 1 by 4 n square. Now these three expand till the value of t1 reduces in 1. Similarly we calculate the height of tree of equal to log n. Now we solve this recurrence tree method. We solve the recurrence using the following equation: n square half n square plus half by 4 n square dash 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 height of t. And sub problem size at level I is n upon 2i. Then I value is equal to log n. Cost of the problem at level I equal to n upon 2i. The number of node at level I equal to 2i. Now solve the cost using the equation Tn equal to, if I equal to 0 and height of log n minus 1 expand होता है तो n square upon 2i means value of I equal to 0 तो n square, I equal to 1 तो n upon n square upon 2, I equal to 2 तो n upon 2 square dash 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 plus 2 की power log n, 2 is also a trait and t 1 times equal to n square, common take n square value, I equal to 0 to L log n minus 1 1 by 2 की power I plus 2 की power log n, we can write log n की power log base 2 2 and log base 2 की value 1, then we can write 2 की power log 1 equivalent of n less than equal to n square, I equal to 0 to infinite 1 upon 2i plus order of n, because the value of this is smaller than the summation of this. So we can write the complexity of this recurrence equation order of n square. One more example, solve with the help of recursion tree method. Suppose given recursion tree in this form, Tn equal to Tn by 4 plus Tn by 2 plus n square. Means Fn n square function are divided into two different part, Tn by 4 and Tn by 2. So n square divided Tn by 4 and Tn by 2, then we can write n square n by 4 का whole square n by 2 का whole square. Similarly, n by 4 square divided simple n by 4 n by 2 part, and n by 16 n by 8, n by 2 divided n by 4 n by 2 parts, then tn by 8 and tn by 4, and so on. B. Calculate the number of nodes in each level. N square 5 by 16 n square 25 by 120 256 n square dash dash. Now solve this equation. N square plus 5 by 16 n square plus 25 by 25 n square dash 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 dash. Now n square is common, then take the n square common and find the series 1 plus 5 by 16 plus 5 by 16 the whole square this. Now value of this constant equal to constant, then we can write the complexity of this recurrence equation theta of n square. Geometric series like 1 plus x square plus null dash 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 plus xn, we can write 1 minus x to the power n plus 1 upon 1 minus x for x is not equal to 1. For mod value of x less than 1, then we can write the series of the sum of the series equation equal to 1 upon 1 minus x. Now one more problem solved with the help of recursion tree method. If recurrence is given Tn equal to Tn by 3 plus T 2n by 3 plus n, then expanding the recurrence, after expanding this recurrence, we find recursion tree n by 3 2n by 3 n by 3 divided n by 3 2n by part, then n by 6 2n by 6 dash dash dash, तब तक डिवाइड करते हैं जब तक वैल्यू t की 1 नहीं होता. Now we calculate number of node in each level n और n कितनी बार height of tree, and total height of tree is solved using the 2n by 3 equal to 1. If n equal to 2 by 3 n, 2 by 3 square n dash 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 1, sub problem size hit 1 when 1 equal to 2 by 3 की power I n. Therefore we solve I value of I equal to log base 3 by 2 n. Cost of the problem at level I equal to n. The total cost Tn less than equal to n plus plus dash 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 equal to I equal to 0, height of 3 log base 3 by 2 n, n common लिया तो I equal to 0 log base 3 to n 1, n log base 3 by 2 n, then we can write n log n, the complexity of this recursion tree. One more example, solve using recursion tree. If recursion tree is given form of this, Tn equal to 3Tn by 4 plus Cn square, means function Cn square is divided in equal to 3 parts of n by 4, n by 4, n by 4. Then Cn square written in this form Cn by 4 का square, Cn by 4 का whole square, Cn by 4 का whole square. Sub problem size at level I is equal to n upon 4i. Sub problem size hits 1 when 1 equal to n upon 4i, I equal to log base 4n. Now cost of node at level I equal to C n upon 4 to power I का whole square. Number of node at level I equal to 3 की power I last level, number of node at level I equal to 3 की power I. So each level 3, put the value of I 3 की power log base 4 n. We can write the value of this equal to n की power log 4 3 nodes. Now solve the total cost. I equal to 0 to log 4 n minus 1 3 upon 16 power I cn square plus we go off this cost is less than equal to I equal to infinite 3 upon 60 cn square plus we go off n की power log base 4 3. So total cost of this recurrence equation of the, according to this polynomial equation order